Hi, I'm Mustafa from the BILSTEIN Academy. Yesterday we installed the suspensions, today is all about testing. We'll take our B16 on the road. The Clubsport suspension will be racing on the Nordschleife. We've adjusted and fitted the suspension for our test drive and are now experiencing just what it's like to drive the B16. What do you think about the handling?
Much more direct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The steering, right?
Exactly. The car responds instantaneously. Now with the combination of suspension and tires, you can really feel the road much better.
Yeah, it's responsive.
Yeah.
Precisely. We fine-tuned a perfect balance for daily use. From relaxed driving on country roads to a sportier driving style. Usually at this point, the car tends to heavily understeer. Yeah, that normally always happens. The car isn't pushing over the front axle anymore, and now you can go straight back on the pedal. The new suspension makes everything so much more safe and secure. You can really notice it. You simply don't get the feeling of the car being unstable. That's it, the car properly sticks to the road. The guys from Black Falcon did a perfect job with the adjusting. Definitely, our suspension experts have enormous expertise on how to adjust the axle and install the suspension. Under these conditions, we can get the full experience here on this racetrack. Thank you so much for taking part in the giveaway. Have fun with your new suspensions. Thank you to BILSTEIN.
Thanks a lot to Black Falcon.